Alright, today I'm going to show you how to wash dishes when you don't have a sink. So I'm outside right now, just finished barbecuing, and so now I have dishes that I need to clean. And so how can you get these clean? Well, I'm going to show you. So what I have is, I have a spatula, or this isn't a spatula, this is actually a thongs, and I have a cheese grater, a ladle, and I have a scrubber, and I have a stainless steel pan, and I do have a spatula, alright? So what I'm going to do is, to clean these, I'm just going to show you how I do it. Okay, I have Dawn Power Wash right here. This is good. You can use your own dish detergent if you want to. And so with the Dawn Power Wash, they simply say spray it on, right, and let it sit. But if you have excess food, just go ahead and scrape the excess food off. And then just spray the Dawn on here. Alright, so I have it sprayed it on here. And it's soaking right here. And normally with the power wash you're supposed to wipe it off, but I'm treating this like I treat like I use regular detergent. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, and I have some water. It's important that you have some water. Now I have this, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pour a little bit of water on here, and I'm going to take this and I'm just going to scrub the utensils. Now normally I would use a sponge, but I don't have a sponge, so all I have is a Brillo pad, a scrubber, and it's good to use on what I'm using right here. I have stainless steel, maybe cast iron, and if you have non-stick, I would suggest not using this on non-stick. Okay, so I'm just going to take this and make sure you scrub it. Now if you have stuff that's really in there, so I scrubbed it. Alright. And then I'm going to set this to the side for a second. It still has a soap on it, so it has the soap sudsing action. Then I'm going to take the actual pan, get it on both sides, handle, and then put these in here. And what I do is, to rinse it, just go ahead, just pour the water on here. If you see some spots that you missed, no worry. Just go ahead and scrub it again. Just have some soap on the Brillo pad. And I'm going to go ahead, get all this, and pour some water down on here. And then I'm going to take the utensils and put them away. And then I'm going to get this, dump the water out, and just rinse the pan with the rest of the water. You put the pan away, then you're left with a Brillo pad. You want to rinse that out, and then rinse that. And so that's how you wash dishes when you don't have a sink. Hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.